Hi, I'm George Woodbury from College of the Sequoias in Visalia, California, and in this video we're going to solve a system of nonlinear equations involving an absolute value. So here it looks like we may want to use substitution with y equals absolute value of x plus 2, but actually the better move is to use substitution with y minus 2 equals the absolute value of x. When we take that expression and put it in for x squared, the absolute value disappears at that point. And so we can just do y minus 2 squared. So let's substitute first. X squared is now going to be y minus 2 quantity squared plus y squared equals 25. We want to multiply y minus 2 times itself. And when you multiply that using the FOIL style of multiplication, you're going to get y squared minus 4y plus 4 plus that other y squared still equals 25. Let's clean this up on the left side. Combine the two y squared terms, minus 4y. Bring over the 25 so it's in standard form, and we have minus 21 equals 0. And unfortunately, this one doesn't factor, so we're kind of stuck with using the quadratic formula here. Y equals the opposite of b, so that's positive 4, plus or minus the square root of negative 4 squared minus 4ac, 4 times 2 times negative 21, and that's all over 2a, 2 times 2. Cleaning up what's inside the square root, we've got 16 plus 168, that's 184. So y equals 4 plus or minus square root of 184. You can always pause the video, right? Try this on your own, then come back and restart it once you get the 184. It's all over 4. Let's clean it up a little bit. There is a factor of 4 that can come out of 184 and get pulled out of the radical as a 2. 184 is 4 times 46. So we get y equals 4 plus or minus 2 root 46 over 4. And if we reduce that to lowest terms, that becomes 2 plus or minus root 46 over 2. These are exact solutions, but it would help to have approximate solutions. So 2 plus root 46 over 2 is approximately 4.39. And 2 minus root 46 over 2 is approximately negative 2.39. The second one we're going to be able to throw out because we were told that y was equal to the absolute value of x plus 2, or y minus 2 equals the absolute value of x. And when we subtract 2 from this number, absolute values are non-negative, and it could never equal that negative 4.39 number. So we throw those out, and our solutions are going to come from the positive root, 4.39. So let's take that back up to here. Y minus 2 equals the absolute value of x. 4.39 minus 2 equals the absolute value of x. 2.39 equals the absolute value of x. And when we solve that, x is either 2.39 or negative 2.39. Those are approximate solutions. If we wanted the exact solutions, we have to subtract 2 from that. So let me write that as approximate. And for exact, x would equal, or absolute value of x would equal 2 plus root 46 over 2 minus 2. Now that minus 2 is the same as minus 4 over 2. And when we subtract, the absolute value of x is negative 2 plus root 46 all over 2. And if you work that out, that's approximately 2.39. So the solutions, and there's two of them, approximate solutions, negative 2.39, comma 4.39, and 2.39, comma 4.39. Exact, negative 2 plus root 46 over 2, comma 2 plus root 46 over 2, and negative, the fraction negative 2 plus root 46 over 2, comma 2 plus root 46 all over 2. All right, there are the solutions to that one. If you have an equation with an absolute value, that's a great equation to use for substitution. Set the absolute value equal to the rest of the expression, then you can substitute that expression in. And when you square it, the absolute value doesn't matter.